Welcome students! In this video, I will teach you basic information on using Google Meet for the first time. In my previous video, I taught you how to make your Google account. Now, we will use your email address to access Google Meet. In this tutorial, I will teach you basic controls and functions once you are in the video conference, the etiquette or the rules while having a virtual class, and the frequently asked question. What is Google Meet and how does it work? Ano ang Google Meet at paano ito gumagana? Google Meet, also known as Google Hangouts Meet, is built to let dozens of people join the same virtual meeting and speak or share video with each other from anywhere with internet. In other words, kahit malayo ka man, as long as you have the link, nakakapag-usap pa rin tayo. Is Google Meet free? Google Meet's free tier can cater 100 participants with the luxury of time. Ibig sabihin, ito po ay free o walang bayad. At ang maaari makapasok ay ang first 100 participants, kahit anumang oras. What are the basic controls and functions in the Google Meet? Kung makikita nyo sa larawan, makikita nyo dito sa kaliwang bahagi ng inyong screen. Dito, ang tawag niyan ay meeting code. Sunod naman ay ang mikropono or ang microphone. Pag i-click mo ito, ibig sabihin gusto mong magsalita at i-click mo ulit kung tapos ka nang magsalita. Ito naman ay ang camera. Pwede mo yang i-on at i-off kung gusto mong makita o hindi makita ang iyong sarili. Ito naman ay tinatawag nating captions. Kung gusto mong makita kung ano ang sinasabi ng speaker, i-click mo lang ito. Ito namang icon ay tinatawag na hand or raise your hand. Pag meron ka mga katanungan, i-click mo lang ito para ma-recognize ka ng speaker. Sunod naman ay ang icon na ito. Share your screen and give presentations. Ibig sabihin, pag i-click mo ito, may i-present ka sa iyong conference. Ito naman ay ang pag-change ng settings, background, layout, at marami pang iba. Pagtapos na ang iyong meeting, pwede mo itong i-click. Ibig sabihin, you are leaving the meeting. This icon allows you to share meeting details with guests. Once i-click mo ito, magpapakita yung link at iba pang impormasyon. This icon lets you view, remove, and pin participants, as well as invite more people. Dito mo rin makikita ang iyong kasama sa meeting. Ito naman ay ang send chat messages. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka mag-type dito kung meron ka ding mga katanungan or kung meron kang mga sagot. This icon lets you use breakout rooms, polls, Q&A, and other meeting features. How do I use Google Meet? Paano gamitin ang Google Meet? If you are the host, follow these steps. Kung ikaw ang host ng meeting, i-follow mo lang ito. If you are the participant, follow this. Kung miyembro ka, nakatanggap ka ng link, i-follow mo lang ito. What are the netiquette or the virtual class rules? First, be ready. Check the daily meet time. Log on a few minutes before the start time. In short, be on time. Find a quiet place. Check your surroundings. Be prepared. Charge your device, camera on, complete any pre-meet assignments. Be presentable. Wear appropriate clothing. Be in a camera view and sit up straight. Mute yourself. Mute yourself when you get on, teacher or another talking or another student is talking. Mute yourself when you get on or teacher or another student are talking. Participation. Be focused, be attentive, and be an active participant. Chat responsibly. Raise your hand to speak. Or you can type questions in the chat box. Communicate. Stay on the topic. Look at the camera when speaking. Be respectful. Be kind, be considerate, and respect all. That's our golden rule.